Hello and welcome to day 5 of learning Python from chatgpt. And let's get started. So please give me today's Python lesson, day 5, acting as my private tutor. If, elif, and else statements. What? We've already had this. We've already had we've had if statements. I suppose ChatGPT is just talking us through the other. Okay, let's read it. Overview. Today's lesson will introduce you to the control flow using if, elif, and else statements. These conditional statements allow your program to execute certain blocks of code based on specific conditions. So, control flow, if, elif, else statements. The if statement allows you to test a condition and execute a block of code if the condition is true. So, if condition num equals 10, easy. If else adds an alternative block of code that will execute if the condition is false. Pretty simple. So in this case it will be false, so it will do not greater than 5. So the if, elif, else statement allows you to test multiple conditions. If the first condition is false, the program checks the next elif condition, and so on. If none of the conditions are true, the else block executes. Yeah, okay. It's just like C++, like if, else, if, and else. Except just a slightly different syntax. And then on this one, I'll put this one. Here's a small program that uses if, elif, and else. Okay. Yep, pretty simple. It'll be this one. Okay, assignment, basic if statement. Let's get PyCharm. Close that. We'll add a new Python file for day 5. Let's go. So, write a program. So we can use the modulo operator that I think we learned yesterday. To be honest, it's like early morning today, so yeah, it's 1 AM. So, right, so we'll have a num equals, let's say 5. Oops, if num mod 2 is equal to 0, print num is positive. Okay, now let's go on to the second assignment. Right. Okay. So actually, I just write in this bit. Print num is negative. No, sorry. Is even. Oh, okay. Right. I misunderstood for some reason. It's greater than 0. Positive, else print negative. Well, under greater than equal. Are we considering? Is greater. Do the elif. Num is less than 0. Okay, and now let's get the third assignment. Copy. Else print num is 0. Okay, then we'll run this. Oops, we need this thing. Num is positive. Yep, there we go. So I just commit this.